Hi, my name is McKenna Main, and this is my culturally responsive library project. My 7 topics are race, gender, life lessons, hard or soft copy, school appropriate, social emotional, and color rich or black and white text. Starting off with race, I decided to showcase my student demographics in the class and then the book demographics. So the student demographics, there is a class size of 8 students, and there's 1 African American child and 7 Caucasian children. The book demographics are I have 25 white character books, 1 Asian book, 1 Latinx book, and 25 non-human books. Gender, in terms of the books, I have 30 male, 27 female, no non-binary, and 35 non-human. I'm showcasing 2 life lesson stories, Dino's Rainy Day, which talks about handling disappointment and managing expectations. And this Dolly Parton I Am a Rainbow book, which talks about how to deal with your emotions. Hard versus soft cover books. I had 41 hardcover and 9 softcover books. School appropriate. So I found 2 books that maybe wouldn't be books that I would pick for the classroom being appropriate. One, The Best News Ever, is actually a religious book about God, so that's not appropriate for a school setting. And the second one is this leveled reading book. This isn't appropriate for school. My 6th topic is highlighting social emotional. I just showing 3 different books here. Guess How Much I Love You, and If You Give a Mouse a Cookie, and If You Give a Moose a Muffin. All of those are appropriate. The Dolly Parton I Am a Rainbow book would also add to this great social emotional aspect of books. Color rich versus black and white text. I only had 1 black and white textbook in this library, and the rest were color rich books. Window and mirroring. So window is a resource that offers you a view into someone else's experience, and a mirror is a story that reflects your own culture and helps you build your identity. Both really important to have in the classroom. So an example of a couple window books, Cinderella and Paul Bunyan, and a mirror being I Am a Rainbow. And that is my presentation. Thanks so much for listening.